Now in this video we will be talking about what a sales funnel is, what upselling is, and what downselling is, and how we can take this to our advantage in order to make more money on Shopify. Now, first of all, let me paint you the picture of a normal customer experience on our Shopify store if we're not using upselling and or downselling. Now, first of all, traffic. Our traffic source, the people is coming to our web store. How are they coming? Well, they can come through Google ads, through organically through Google, or with Facebook ads, which we're gonna use. Now they're coming to our product page. The product page where we have our bullet points, our description, our pictures looking awesome, and they are excited to buy our item. So they click on add to cart. Okay, now they're on the cart page and everything looks cool. They can see the shipping is like 7 days or so and they're super excited to buy this item from us. Now they click on the next button and then they will come to the checkout page. Now they're on the checkout page, they're putting in all the billing information, their address and everything, and they're super stoked to buy this product. Okay, so this is the normal process here. And then they will come to the thank you page where we thank you for buying our products, to shopping with us. We hope that your experience was awesome, etc. Now the thing here is that we have only sold them one item. That is, if you're coming to McDonald's for a cheeseburger for $1, and they won't get so much money into their pocket, and that this is the same story for you and for me. If we're going down this route, how can we bring up the value of our cart? Well, look at this, something called upsell. Okay, so upsell number one, that could be an item. Let's say that they bought something from you already, they checked out and so on. Now we will present another product that is related to the first product. So you already sold one, they have already put in their billing address, etc. But now we're sending them to another page where they're gonna go and buy another product, hopefully. Okay, so here they only have two options, either to say yes or no. Okay, now from here you could, yes, if they're saying no, you could be fine with that and send them to the thank you page. But we won't do that here. So they get one product already bought and they clicked on, let's say, no on this upsell. They don't like the other item or they don't have enough money, etc. What do we do then? We're sending them to the downsell page. The downsell for the same product that we're offering on upsell number one. Same product, but discounted. Could be a discount for 20 or 30%. But here you do want to make sure that you're making profit, that you're making money from this. You don't just want to throw out another product just to, like, it's cool to sell another product. No, you don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you're making money from this downsell. But the downsell is basically taking the upsell and putting a discount on it. Okay? So here they can say yes or no. Whether their answer might be, you will send them to another upsell page, to a product number 3. Okay, so firstly we have, they already bought the product, they said no to the upselling, the first upselling, which is the second product, and then they came to the downsell page. Maybe they bought, maybe they took their percentage offer there, or maybe they didn't. Regardless of their decision, we're sending them to the upselling page 2, the third product. Here they can decide to say yes or no. Okay, so they can, you potentially can sell them 3 products. Okay, but what do you do if they're on the upsell number 1 say yes? What do? You can send them as well to the third product. So here you can see the potential of not only selling 1 product, but you can potentially sell 3 products and make a lot of profit from the same customer. Okay, and this is actually the same model as McDonald's is using when they're asking you for, do you want fries with that? Do you want a Coke with that? Do you understand here how you can make a lot of money from this. And then once you have went through this process of your upselling, downselling, and upselling, and this can look just the way you want to. We would like to have our customer to go through a really cool and good customer experience, so they will become a returning customer and come back to our store. Of course, we don't want to just throw out irritating products that are not related to each other. We don't want to do that. So this is a great process to go through, and once they walk through this, you will send them then to the thank you page. So this is how a sales funnel can look like, and we will build this in an upcoming lecture. If this was hard to understand, because there's a lot of things going on the screen right now, I understand that. Please rewatch this video and try to understand this. If not, we will build a sales funnel with upselling, and we will look through also downselling in an upcoming lecture. Okay? So, see you in the next lecture.